Welcome to our next 52 circles prompt, and the word is scrub. I'm using a reject circle from an earlier week and just a range of scrap fabrics in different weights and different methods of construction. So I've got some heavyweight woven fabrics, some sari silk strips, some organza, some voile, and then the top layer there is just a bit of brown paper bag. And I'm securing those with a medium straight stitch, not too many rows of straight stitching. I want to leave quite big gaps in between the stitching so that I can attack it with some sandpaper. So this is a great technique for stress relief if you're feeling that you need to take out your frustrations on a piece of fabric. Get some sandpaper and then fold it into a kind of edge so that you can really work across the surface of the fabric, trying different directions and really trying to kind of break down the surface of the fabric. And my aim is to try and get the colours from the layers underneath to show through. Obviously, it's a little bit hit and miss, as with most of these techniques, so kind of be open to what opportunities or kind of effects present themselves. For example, the woven fabric didn't quite do what I expected it to. I expected to be able to really work through the surface of the fabric there. It did fray quite nicely, so I decided to keep those bits that frayed and then reattach them with a line of straight stitch just to break up the composition. And also the paper ripped quite nicely, but I just wanted to stop it falling off completely, so I just did a little bit of stitching back to hold that down. I really wanted to get to the pink, which was kind of 2 or 3 layers down, so I just got some sharp scissors in the end and just started a hole that I then knew the sandpaper would work away at quite nicely. And here you can see it's starting to do what I wanted it to do, which is that pink kind of just suggesting itself through those layers. Anyway, here's my finished sample in response to the word scrub, and I look forward to seeing your creations.